horrible. I was watching me. Nope. I was watching my brother inspect an inspector from Holland. I think you know what I mean. She looked like she had never seen anything quite so Hollywood in all her life. Not long after, a few days later, I went to the fridge and I thought, what's in it? Nothing. So I went to sleep. So then I woke up. Nothing. Oh, was that jug thing there before? Must have been. A jug thing. What is it? A syrup. What syrup? Smell it. Smells nice. Finger in, lick it. Hello? Oh no. Would you believe it? He drank a lot. I'm going to call older Rosen. Meanwhile. Hi everybody. Anything happened today? Hi everybody. Anything happened today? Cleaning your teeth so hard the toothbrush broke. No. Oh, come on. Something must have happened. Yes. Michael drank your drug things. Yes, that's true. What am I going to do? I know. I'll make up a story. Yeah, I'll go into the kitchen and I'll go up to Mum and I'll go, hi Mum, the toothbrush broke. What? I don't know. Just come here. Ah! No need to shout, blimey. Just do something. Yes. It's hurting. Oh, don't worry. It's no big deal. We'll get another one tomorrow. It's only a toothbrush. It's no big deal. Actually, that wasn't very nice. I don't suppose you'll drink one of those again, will you? I don't suppose I will.